Anata Duba Shintane Do Sinza Mesue Pianlado Atepe Kinzi Atemizadwe Gonsongwa Kei Damalonki Dwe Sechabila Loga Jiha Dikara Lema Be Yama Timye Bule Sri Lanziadwe Tika Beme Te Jindiana Yutwalu Miyaba Ziadwe Atiji Ziale Batkuma Mishige Babu Kitaknama Piao Song Tua Naide Ya Ha Nata Duba Shintane Do Damalonki Dwe Sechabila
What has God? The skull, the face of the skull. There's something about a skull where he was crucified. Third thing the Bible tells us, in that same place there was a garden. And the fourth thing, in the garden there was a tomb that had never been used, a new tomb. So those are the four things you'll see, and see how they all fit together in a way that seems to make sense. So